Hello everyone, in today's admin tutorial video, we're going to go over how to create an offer that targets a specific customer segment. In order to get started, let's jump into the Offers tab. Now the offer that we're going to give is a $5 off total order for our loyalty group customers. The type of offer that it's going to be is going to be an amount off of an order. We said that that was going to be $5. And this which customers can use this offer tab is what's really important to us. We're going to select loyalty group here and click automatically consider this offer. We want to save this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to promote and deploy this offer. We'll approve it and we're going to deploy immediately. Now, if I were to jump into our preview on site tool, I want to see the site live. So I'm going to clear the sandbox. And as you can see right now, I'm not logged in as a particular customer. So I'm going to add these two items to my cart. And you'll see that I'm not receiving any savings currently because I'm not logged in as a loyalty group customer. Before the demo, I had set up a profile for myself and added myself to that loyalty group. So if I were to log in and go back into the cart, you can see now that I'm getting that $5 savings because I'm in that loyalty group. And that's how easy it is to create an offer that targets a specific customer segment.